And welcome back children to our part 2 video of today's assignment. As you all know that today we are doing chapter number 6, countable and uncountable nouns in English language. So today we have started with a new chapter. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you in a very easy and simple manner, in a very attractive manner, that what are countable and uncountable nouns through some different things which were available in my home. I have used those things to explain you. So I hope you all have understood the topic of countable and uncountable nouns very clearly. Now children, in this part 2 video I am going to give you an assignment, or you can say I will explain you the chapter of countable and uncountable nouns in a short manner, okay, from the book, and then we will do one book exercise. Okay, so let's get started. For that children, you have to take out the grammarian book, that is book number 2 for class 2. Okay, then turn to page number 26. As you can see here, page number 26, you will take out page number 26 and you can see that chapter number 6 is countable and uncountable nouns. Now, as I have explained you in the first part video, that countable nouns वो होते हैं जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं, और उस countable nouns में हम singular और plural दोनों ही forms को use करते हैं. Like one book is a singular noun which is also countable. Then more than one book, 2 books are here in this picture, so we will write books. Then 5 books, we are again writing books. So these are all countable. हम इनको count कर सकते हैं कि ये 1 book है, ये 2 book है और ये 5 books हैं. Okay, then coming to the next picture, it is a picture of a bat. Now this is a bat and a single bat is given here. That means this is singular noun. A bat, okay, which can be counted. Then 2 bats, which can also be counted. Then 5 bats, which can also be counted. Then comes your third picture of cat. Now cat here is a singular cat because there is only one cat shown here. So this is a cat. There are 2 cats. There are 5 cats, but these all cats can be counted. Okay, so that is why they are all in the category of countable nouns. Is that clear? Now all the above nouns can be counted by us. जितने भी ये ऊपर हमारे nouns दिए हैं ये हम count कर सकते हैं. Such nouns are called countable nouns. इन जो count हो सकते हैं nouns, उनको हम countable nouns का नाम देते हैं. Then a countable noun can have singular or plural form. Countable noun में दोनों forms हो सकते हैं, singular भी और plural भी. Okay, and the next part is article a or an is always used with singular nouns. जब भी हम singular nouns की बात करेंगे तो उसमें article a या an ज़रूर use होगा. और the का use कब होगा? Can be used before singular countable nouns and plural countable nouns. जहाँ सिर्फ singular noun होगा वहाँ पे a या an use होगा, और जहाँ पे singular या plural दोनों में हम the का use भी कर सकते हैं, like the boy or the boys. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood. Now here you can see, you can use the following words before plural nouns. अब ये कुछ words ऐसे हैं जो हम plural nouns के साथ use कर सकते हैं, like many, some, few, all, no, any, enough. So how you will pronounce this? Many students, बहुत सारे students. Some mangoes, बहुत सारे mangoes. Few chairs, बहुत सारी chairs. All girls, सारी girls. Okay. No photographs, मतलब photographs means बहुत सारी photographs हैं, but we are saying that there are no photographs. Any stamps, enough clothes. Okay, so all these words will be used before plural nouns. So this is important, you have to look over it nicely. Okay, now coming to the next part, look at the following pictures and read the words. Milk, water, bread, blood, floor, smoke, wood, furniture and news. So from these all words you can find that these all are uncountable nouns. Okay, all the above nouns cannot be counted by us. इनमें से सारे nouns हम count नहीं कर सकते. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. इनको जो चीज़ों को हम count नहीं कर सकते उनको हमने क्या नाम दिया है? uncountable nouns. Is that clear? जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं उनको हमने नाम दिया countable nouns और जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते उनको हमने नाम दिया uncountable nouns. Now an uncountable noun can only have singular form. जो uncountable noun होता है वो सिर्फ singular form में होता है. ए और एन आर्टिकल का यूज़ हम कभी नहीं करते अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स में, याद रखना है आपको. ओके, काउंटेबल नाउन्स में हम ए और एन का और द का यूज़ करते हैं, बट अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में हम ए और एन का यूज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते. देन यू कैन यूज़ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स बिफोर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. Some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, sufficient, whole. So these all are the words which are used before uncountable nouns. So again you have to look over it nicely. Okay, some, rice, thoda rice. Much, sympathy. Now sympathy is a फीलिंग विच के नॉट बी काउंटेड. ये एक तरह का फीलिंग है. जब हम कोई हमारे सामने परेशान होता है तो हम उसको सिंपैथी देते हैं, तो दैट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. लिटिल, नॉलेज. नाउ नॉलेज मीन्स आपको कितनी समझ है किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में, आपके आसपास के वर्ल्ड के बारे में, जो भी चीज़ें उसके बारे में आपको कितनी नॉलेज है. सो इट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. सो लिटिल नॉलेज. इनफ मनी, ऑल वुड, no common sense. Now common sense is also not be counted. Any book. Sufficient water. Water can also not be cannot be counted. Whole attention. Now attention means which I every time when I start the videos, I every time most of the time I tell you to pay attention, but the word attention cannot be counted. Is that clear? So all these words are uncountable nouns. Now the easy way to find out countable or uncountables. You can easily find out whether a noun is countable or uncountable by asking yourself the following easy questions. Can I put article a or an before the noun? Can I put number before the noun to change it into plural? If the answer of these questions is yes, the noun is countable. Now this part I will explain you very nicely in the next video tomorrow. Okay, so now what we are going to do, children, today we are going to, I hope you all have understood this topic very clearly. सबसे easy चीज़ ये है कि countable nouns वो होते हैं जिनको हम count कर सकते हैं. ओके, और उनको हमने countable nouns का नाम दिया है, और जो count नहीं कर सकते उनको हमने uncountable nouns का नाम दिया है, और उनको हम count बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते, like milk, water, blood. Okay, sympathy, water, attention, wood, money, these all things cannot be counted. So I hope you all are clear with this topic very nicely. Now coming to the page, now next page, that is page number 29, as you can see here. Now on page number 29 there is one exercise given. Okay, so this exercise is राइट C फॉर काउंटेबल नाउन्स एंड U फॉर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. अब यहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना के दी हुई हैं जिनको हमें देखना है और पता करना है कि हम इनको काउंट कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. अगर काउंट कर सकते हैं तो C लिखेंगे और काउंट नहीं कर सकते तो U लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. दिस इज़ अ चेयर. सो चेयर कैन बी काउंटेड. येस, इट कैन बी काउंटेड. सो वी विल राइट हियर C. Then this is a pot of rice. Okay, so can rice be counted? No, this is uncountable noun. So we will write here U. Then in the next picture you can see this is butter. Now butter can be counted after melting? No. So this is also uncountable noun. Now comes the next picture of eggs. So eggs can be counted? Yes, they can be counted. So we will write here C. Then the next picture is of salt. So salt cannot be counted or it can be counted? Yes, it cannot be counted. जो चीज़ काउंट नहीं होगी उसको हम अनकाउंटेबल का U यहाँ लिख देंगे. Then comes the next picture of tomato ketchup. So as you can see this is also a liquid form. So it can also not be counted. So we will write here U. Then these are French fries. These can be counted. Yes, you can count how many French fries are there in one packet. So this can be counted. Okay. Then comes meat. Can it be counted? No, it cannot be counted. This is uncountable noun. Then comes this tomato. So tomato can be counted. Yes, you can count tomato when they are in raw form. You can count it. Okay, so you will write here C. Then orange you can count. Yes. Then this again, this is meat. You can count. No, so this is uncountable noun. Can you see this picture? This is your favorite burger. As you can see, can you count it? No, this is uncountable noun. Then juice, this is also uncountable noun because it is in liquid form. Then comes bread. Bread can also not be counted, so again it is uncountable noun. And then here comes sandwich. This can also be counted or not counted. This cannot be counted, so it is uncountable noun. Then here comes your vegetables. They can be counted, so you can write here C. Milk cannot be counted, so U. Then potato can be counted, so C. Then this is a pot of some liquid thing. It can also not be counted, so U. Then here cheese. Cheese can be counted? No. So this is uncountable. Then comes your radish, that is मूली. आप इसको count कर सकते हैं? Yes, you can count. Then comes flour. फ्लोर को हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ये आटा है. आटा तो बिल्कुल सूखा फॉर्म में होता है, हम इसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते. So this will be uncountable. Then comes onion. Onion can be counted. Honey cannot be counted. And then the last one is tea. So this can also not be counted because it is in liquid form. So here you will again write U. So in this manner you will complete this exercise, children. Okay, so I want you all to complete this much today, and then from tomorrow we will start with other exercises. So till then, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.